Right guys, welcome. How you doing? Tony here. So I've been putting this video off for one whole year and we're finally getting around to talking about it and actually doing something about it, which is even better. So for the last year we've been talking about exhaust systems on the Kawasaki Ninja. Let's have a quick look at it. 2020 model, and we've been talking about doing the exhaust on this for well over a year. And I'm going to be honest with you right now, and the actual reason is it's just no ECU tube. Now I've been watching other people that have got these Kawasaki Ninjas and they're sticking headers on full decat and they're actually having no problems without even tuning. So we're going to attempt it, we're going to see what happens. Basically there's two options that you can do for decat in this bike, and that is we can run a full system from head to toe. So we're starting off the headers, running all the way down. Full decat, so we're going to be taking that part out there, which is the decat pipe, taking the full resonance chamber out, or the bread box, whatever you want to call it. People got different names for it. I'm going to be connecting to this part and then back to the Black Widow end can. The other thing that you can do is you can get a max torque link pipe, and that basically cuts out from there, and we cut the whole decat pipe out and connect it from there to there. I'll put a picture up of how it looks. But I don't really fancy cutting my original headers up. What in case something goes wrong? If something goes wrong, then it's literally a case of I can't put my original exhaust pipes back on. So yeah, we're gonna go put brand new headers on from Lextech. I bought Lextech cans, and we're gonna lick it up to the Black Widow end can. Beautiful. No idea what that is. Triumph Daytona. Right, okay, so we've just got the bike back from Mole Springs. We've just fitted our full exhaust decat system, and I tell you what, it's extremely loud. This GoPro is not going to do it justice. It's going to suppress the volume file, but we're going to give it a cold start. Honestly, it's got no baffles in this at the moment either. There's no baffles in the Black Widow end can. Right, you ready for this? Guys, honestly, what the hell have I done? This is way too loud for an exhaust. It's gonna have to get some baffles back in that. That tone is so deep and so loud and roaring. I know you're not gonna fully hear the exhaust on this GoPro, but damn, it is deafening. You ready for this? Ridiculous, honestly. Oh, wow. Can't get over how loud that is. Way too loud. Way too loud. god! Damn! Let's get it in a high gear, see what it sounds like. Right, it's in 6. Doesn't sound too bad in 6.